Tell me. I met a boy last week tryna run that game. Made it sound so sweet when he say my name. I said, boy, stop, run it back. You can talk that talk, but can you play that sax? Met a boss last night buying out the bar. Said I can ride top down in his Jaguar. I'm like, boy, stop, run that back. You can drive all night, but can you play that sax? Baby, baby, I've been waiting for the one to blow my mind. Baby, baby.
It's sunny and hot. I am wearing a hat, pink hat. I am wearing a white top. I am wearing a black, white, and maroon, brown short, and I am wearing a white trainer. It's sunny and hot. I am wearing a pink t-shirt. I am wearing a colorful skirt. I am wearing a golden trainers. It's sunny and hot. I'm wearing a white hat. I'm wearing a white and red t-shirt. I'm wearing a black shorts and I'm wearing marvelous trainers. I'm wearing gray hat. I'm wearing red t-shirt. I'm wearing sweater. Black. I'm wearing black sweater. I'm wearing jeans, blue jeans. I'm wearing this rainbow. It's autumn. It's rainy and cold. I am wearing a white jacket, a green dress, and I am wearing a brown boots. It's spring. Wearing pink sweater, black trousers, and black boots. It's autumn. I am wearing blue t-shirt. I am wearing blue trousers, and I am wearing white trainers. It's summer. I am wearing a hat. My hat is blue. I am wearing sunglasses. My sunglasses is black. I am wearing a t-shirt. My t-shirt is white. I am wearing a short. My shirt is blue. I am wearing a trousers. My trousers is white. It's a spring. I am wearing a gold dress. I am wearing a beige socks. I am wearing a white trainers. It's autumn. I am wearing a hat. My hat is dark blue. I am wearing the sweater. My sweater is white. I am wearing the jeans. My jeans is blue. I am wearing the trainers. My trainers is white. It's sunny and it's hot. I am wearing a t-shirt. My t-shirt is orange. I am wearing a jeans. My jeans is black. It's spring. It's sunny and rainy. I'm wearing a blue trainers. I'm wearing blue jeans. I'm wearing a black t-shirt. I'm wearing a pink hat with ears. It's spring. I'm wearing pink jeans. I'm wearing pink jacket. And I am wearing white trainers. I am wearing a black hat. I am wearing a blue and pink sunglasses, and I am wearing a green t-shirt. I am wearing a brown belt. I am wearing a gray pants, and I am wearing a green socks. Hello, it's a spring. It's sunny and cloudy. I'm wearing a purple skirt, blue trainers, purple sweater, black t-shirt, and a pink cap. It's summer. I'm wearing green sunglasses. I'm wearing the black and white cap. I'm wearing the blue shorts. I'm wearing the yellow t-shirt, and I'm wearing a blue trainers. It's autumn. I am wearing a blue sweater. I am wearing a blue trousers. I am wearing a white trainers. I am wearing the blue jeans. I am wearing the umbrella, the blue trainer. I am wearing the yellow jacket. Now is autumn and windy. I am wearing a blue jeans, a rainbow trainers, and a black t-shirt. It's winter. It's cold and snowy. I'm wearing a light brown jacket. I'm wearing a blue sweater. I'm wearing a spring. I am wearing a t-shirt. My t-shirt is pink. I am wearing a trousers and my trouser is black. I am wearing a trainers and trainers is blue. It's spring. It's hot and rain. I am wearing a bow. I am wearing a white t-shirt. I am wearing a black jeans. I am wearing a blue dress. It's summer. It's hot and sunny. I'm wearing a sun hat and sunglasses. My sunglasses are red and blue. I am wearing a t-shirt. My t-shirt is blue. I am wearing a skirt with flowers. I am wearing blue and white trainers. I am wearing a hat. My hat is green. I am wearing a sweater. My sweater is gray. I am wearing the jeans. My jeans is green. I am wearing the trainer. My trainer is black and blue. Sweater, trainer, trouser, I am summer. I am wearing a top. I am wearing a skirt. It's spring. I am wearing with t-shirt. I am wearing blue jeans. I am wearing with trainers. It's autumn. It's windy and cold. I'm wearing a larger. I'm wearing a skirt and I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's autumn. It's cold and rainy. I'm wearing a white t-shirt, a pink sweater, and a blue trousers. Is sunny. I am wearing a blue dress. I am wearing a panties, blue panties, and I am wearing a shoes. It's winter. It's winter. It's cold and windy. I am wearing a black trousers. I am wearing a pink boot. Eight. Ramen. I'm wearing a t-shirt. I'm wearing trousers. I'm wearing a blanket. It's autumn. It's sunny. It's sunny. I am wearing a green dress. I am wearing a blue pants. And I am wearing a brown hood. It's summer. It's sunny and hot. I am wearing a blue sunglasses. I am wearing a blue dress.